Hello guys. In this video I am going to tell you about how you can improve Windows 10 performance. Let's see how we can make faster Windows 10. So the first step is to disable the startup applications. For this, open Task Manager from Taskbar by right-clicking on it. Now click on Startup tab. And now disable all the applications. This is the very effective way to improve the performance of Windows 10. The second step is to remove unnecessary applications. For this, right-click on Start button and click on Settings. Now click on Apps. From here you can uninstall unnecessary applications. The third step is to clean up the disk. For this, right-click on the disk where the Windows is installed, and click on Properties. Now click to the Disk Cleanup button. Select the files you want to delete to free up the space, and click OK. Now you can see the disk cleanup is in progress. The fourth step is to check the virus and malware. In Windows 10 you can use Windows Defender to scan and remove malware or virus. For this, search Windows Defender from Cortana search box. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now, from this option you can scan all the files of your PC. The fifth step is to change the power plan. To change the current power plan, search Power Options from Cortana search box. And select High Performance. It will also enhance your PC performance. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.